And in today's video, we're going to open the Galaxy A55. Very thin box, so it means that there's very little inside. No charger. Oh. Oh. Wow. Are we going to have a case inside? We have a SIM card tool case. Is it included? Cable. And some papers. Wow. Oh wow. Very sharp edges. Like extremely sharp edges. Why it's so sharp at the end? Wow. It has that bump on the side, which is pretty cool. But it's quite far from my finger, from my sausage short finger. I mean, power button is okay, but the volume buttons, ooh, a bit too far. Anyway, at the top, we do have microphone, SIM card tray, nothing on the left. And at the bottom, we do have a beautiful speaker, 2 microphones, and USB Type-C. And of course, cameras. 3 of them. Yeah. Screen. Wow. Engage. Fingerprint is not too fast. It needs... It's okay, I guess. It's okay. But the screen looks beautiful. How smooth it is. Oh! Okay, why it's so jittery? Nothing is installing on the background. Now we know why. Because there is no fix 120. It's adaptive or standard. No one will use it in 60 Hz. Come on, come on. And adaptive will just... See... Okay, now it's okay, but sometimes it's just too glitchy. Anyway, now it's fine. Look at it now. Okay, it's not like okay, what's going on? What's going on? The menu feels nice. Pre-installed a Snapchat, Spotify, Netflix, TikTok, and what else do we have? Some games. Okay, I already installed Irium, that was me, and those 3 apps at the bottom. They are all me. We have a Photoshop. I'm not sure it's a full version. Extra from the Samsung. It would be nice if we have a Photoshop for free. It looks that way. Is it free or... No, it's a 7 days trial. So, anyway, what's the point? Alright, but what about camera? What about it? Let's see what's going on with the camera department. Fun. What is that? Fun. Oh. Okay, what is that fun? It's... It is fun. It is fun. Come on, monkey. Come on. Ah, you're in my ear. Portrait mode, very nice. Photo, video. Okay, I press the video. It's only 4K 30. There is no 4K 60, and on the main lens also only 4K 30. That's unfortunate. We do have a lot of different options: a pro video, pro photo, but all of it will be in a separate video, camera test video. Yeah, and full review. This is just the unboxing. So let me show you some pictures. And this is how it's look like in 4K 30. The 60 is not available. It is very windy. I'll cancel the white noise in the post-production vlogging style. Oh, pretty good. Can we zoom? Yes, we can zoom, but this is electronic zoom, so very blurry. Switch lenses during the recording, front and back, and up and down, all of them, which is great. There is no autofocus in front-facing camera, full length of my arm. Is it good for vlogging? Wow, it's overexposing literally everything behind me. Everything. Wow, why is that? And I want to get rid of that bokeh effect, which I'm unable to do it. I think it's encoded in firmware, which is not great.
Calling to the better of the halves of me. Please show me just a little bit of honesty. I hope I got a heart that I can salvage, but it's getting harder now to recall. I know well what let out both try. You could have anything you wanted it all for your fool's gold. And I know well what deaf and half blind you could get.
Conclusion, it is a medium-range smartphone. Nothing is extraordinary in this one. Just a price is strange, because in this same price you can buy Realme Pro 12 Plus. 12 Pro Plus, which I think has a better screen, wide angle lenses from the back and front. And if you're a vlogger and if you want to like film and full HD, not a 4K, those smartphones are not for 4K. Full HD, this is much better. Realme is much. Look at that screen. That screen is just wow. When this screen is wow, the Samsung screen is just like, those bezels are too fake. It's just the first impression. But of course, if you add a $50, at least in my country, you will get a last year flagship, which is like no-brainer. Come on, $50, even $100, like no-brainer. Go with the flagship. It's a completely different experience. This one is okay, but nothing fancy. And if you want to go all the way, there'll be a link in the description, so you can buy at the very similar price, very similar, some extreme smartphones from China, which will completely obliterate all those medium-range smartphones. You can buy a flagship. I will put the link in the description. You can buy a flagship experience for the same price from China, which is mind-blowing. Wait for the full review and the camera test. See you next video.